On every custom home, a lot of the dollars goes into the kitchen. In a home like this with a big open floor plan and multiple families living and using it, we had to turn the camera on and hear the story of the inspiration and the design that went into this kitchen. So Libby and Regan, tell us the story about this awesome space.
One thing that was really important for us was community. We really want to be able to host, have people over. Meals are important where we can share a great meal with neighbors and friends, family. So we wanted this kitchen to be big, open, a huge island like we have, and just something that is easy to accommodate other people. So we've kind of created this space to be able to go into. It kind of is part of the living room. So we have this big island, big oven, and
a ton of counter space. We wanted it so that whoever was prepping food in the kitchen or cooking in the kitchen could still be a part of the party.
Yeah.
Still be chatting with people and share in that community. We didn't want someone to be locked away, you know.
Is that copper I see behind you?
Yeah, so we were able, it's funny, I built a lot of copper countertops, and we had this piece of copper left over, so I was able to integrate some copper in our countertops, and then we have some soapstone here, and we have quartz over there, and we had some reclaimed hickory that we were able to use for shelving, and we're able to weld this hood, custom hood over our oven. So there's a lot of unique custom pieces that we were able to integrate into the kitchen.
Yeah.
And who designs all this stuff for you? Is it literally in your head and you take parts and pieces and put it together? Is that how it works?
Yeah, it's all in Regan's head.
Man,
I mean, we both come up with ideas, but a lot of my ideas I'm always, bouncing off of Libby, making sure that I don't have, because sometimes I have some pretty crazy ideas and they don't turn out very well.
Well, and that's the thing is like looking at this as just from a perspective is like there's a lot of stuff going on here, but there's not one thing that looks out of place. And there's just not everybody can do that. And having some open cabinets and stuff, you have to be able to manage that and live in a space like this, but also blending costs because the kitchen can get very expensive. Tell us about the cabinetry. Where did it come from?
The cabinets are actually from IKEA. So we built them here, right in the living room, and the floors in the kitchen came from old semi-trailers. So there's the flooring in the semi-trailers that we pulled up and able to do the flooring. So there's a lot of just creativity to get it cheap, easy. Tile was all on sale, and just creative ways to be able to afford it.
And being able to use it. As they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure. And it's kind of like the antique door barn at Mountain View Window and Door, where we have a whole building out back full of old antique doors that I can't wait to have Regan take a few of those and make them into barn doors and maybe add one to this house. So thanks for showing us this kitchen, which is a lot of fun. And I'm honored to say I've sat at the table and had a meal with the Fosters.